Oh, sweetheart, you home? Guess not. Must be inside sleeping. Here's the nice car. This is his, this one decided to go take a dump. Still left his light on. Must have been an emergency. This is his, I think this is a 78. I could be wrong. He'll chime in. Ohio car, very clean. Never seen winter, maybe one winter. It's a four-door. She's a crew cab, but nothing wrong with a crew cab. But this one is 100% rust free. The antifreeze, brake cleaner. It did come out pretty good. I like that. I've always liked that color, corporate blue. It's a little more subtle than Chevy orange.
I mean, how many times can you see an orange engine in a Chevy car?
Too many.
Exactly. Exactly.
Alright, let's get this cherry picker.
Times.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, we got plenty of clearance. So what do we got here? Is barely rusting there. Alright. Yeah. We can go in some more. Oh, car's running away from us. Down. You go down. In. Down. In. Okay. Down. Oh yeah, nice.
More down?
Yeah, a little more. Okay, stop. What's this here? Okay, it's the core support. Fudge.
What? That's on now.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Down and in. We just gotta clear all this. Okay, where's the hose? We got hose. We got hose up on something. Down and in. Down. Yeah, down and in. Oh, nice. There it is. Oh, yeah, we're almost there. Oh, we're close. Let's go. Think we just take out the stall afterwards? I think so. That's not bad. 4 minutes in. We're just about there.
Yeah, we're right there in the pocket. That's actually pretty good because now we can lower the
Right.
cherry picker and then.
Let me grab the motor mount bolts.
So yeah, we can at least get them started. Yeah, got it in with minimal fuss. The only issue we're going to have is one of the issues. Might need that light. I'm going to need that light. Oh, I'm going to need that light. All right. Transmission crossmember. I might have to make one. Do some verification. Little aftermarket nonsense. Because where the mount sits, you can see where the mount is supposed to sit. Let me get off zoom. Crossmember itself, well, maybe we can, yeah, I think we're going to be able to make this work. You may actually, you could probably physically slide the crossmember itself back. Keep finger in the zoom. Because if you have the crossmember in the stock position, you're SOL. I was wrong. Where's that flashlight? Oh, we probably put it back inside. Trying to get this motherfucker. Fighting a stinking carpet. You know, when you're going straight up and down, you're not gonna.
All right.
Trying to. Now I finished butchering the floor. The S10 NV3500 fits the G body just right with the rear. What am I thinking of? The rear, further rear shifter location. So I guess like the last version of the NV3500 for the S10, late 90s through 2005. I mean, that's perfect. Full-size truck, it would be up in the dash.
I mean, I think that those rear G bodies with the factory 5-speed, I think those were even farther back than this is.
Further back or further forward?
Further. I think the shifter was even further back than this is.
Towards the seat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is even better than those were. You look at pictures of those, the shifter's like almost in between the bucket seats. I couldn't see no pictures of those cars with bench seats, so.
Yeah, that's a perfect spot.
It don't get better than that. I mean, you could move the seat quite forward if you wanted to.
Yeah, you got four. Well, you're going to put the boot and everything's going to take up all that room.
Yeah.
But it'll look factory.
But if you really had to, you could move the seat probably 1 or 2 clicks more forward for somebody shorter.
Yeah. Wow. Sweet.